Hey guys, so welcome back to Delft Stack, and today I will be showing you how to delete Brave browser. So to do that guys, you have to use the Windows deletion process. So in order for you to do that, go to the start menu into your computer, and now you can just simply search for settings in order for you to be redirected to the settings. Now, here on the settings tab, you will have an option apps on the left side of the screen. And here on the apps, you will have an option installed apps. So go ahead and select this one. And from here, if we scroll down, just try to find the Brave. Now, as you can see, I have the Brave over here. And you can just simply select the three dots over here and select uninstall. And from here, just simply select uninstall again. And from here, since I have the Brave open up, it won't let me uninstall it, but I'll just simply close it. Now I have closed the Brave, and from here, you will just simply have an option to delete the browsing data as well. And if you really want to do this process, just simply select uninstall over here. And since I don't want that, I just won't click it. But if you do, you just simply click it in order for you to proceed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.